Oh my god, you guys. Before I start the video, I have a confession. I'm not a virgin anymore because I fried my virgin hair. My hair was bleached. But, oh my god. Look at how freaking pretty this hair came out. It's so cute. And I did it by myself. I didn't go to the salon. It was all me. And today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can do it yourself with a bleach and a little color. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today we're gonna fry our hair, and oh my god, I did not expect my hair to turn out so good. And guess what? I freaking bleached it. I bleached it twice. I bleached it twice and then I put some color in it and it's so healthy. It's still so healthy. Look, I could run my fingers through it. I started with virgin hair and I killed it, I bleached it, and I put some red on top. So if you girls or guys or anybody wants to go from dark hair to red hair, please stay tuned. Do subscribe to my channel. And if you already fell in love with my personality, you can follow me at Melina Glam on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, and I believe that's it. But without further ado, let's fry and damage our healthy virgin hair. Okay, you guys, so this video, I'm gonna show you me frying my hair. I have videos and I'm gonna also explain to you what I did because on some of the clips, I didn't get to film everything. So yeah. So the first step is you want to have virgin hair. I'm just kidding. You could probably do it with hair that's treated already, but maybe you want to watch a different video. This is for the girls that have virgin hair to begin with. You can probably bleach it, but I wouldn't bleach hair that's bleached already unless you're a pro. So proceed with caution. Don't blame me. This video is for girls that have virgin hair. The first thing you want to do is get your supplies. So I got my supplies at Sally Beauty and Amazon. I got the bleach. I got it on Amazon, and this is the Ion Sensitive Scalp 30 Developer. And I also bought the ammonia, which came in a powder. The main star of this show for me to get these this money piece, because we are doing a money piece and we're doing highlighted highlights, red highlights in the back. It's not all one solid color because I wanted more of that balayage effect, like growing out. It looks more natural. It looks like chunkier highlights in the back and then like a big old money piece in the front. So to do that, I used this highlight comb. I think that's what it's called. It separates the hair. So let me demonstrate. So you put it in, and depending on which side you want it, I think this side makes chunkier highlights. Yeah, I went with this side. So you grab your hair, you put this sucker in, you comb it through, and then it separates the hair. See? That was kind of ugly. And let's do it again. So you put it through, you maneuver this thing, and then it separates the hair for you. And then depending on if you want like more highlighted hair, you take the bigger piece and pin back the piece that you don't want highlighted. So this too, oh, it's sticky. Oh, oh, my thing has toothpaste somehow. Oh my god. Ugh. Camera break, please. Grab yourself a drink. I bought this at my local beauty supply store, but you can probably find it on Amazon. If I can find one, I'll link it below. Okay, you guys, so we separate the hair, we bleach it, and after that, after you bleach it, you want to check it and you want to at least get to orangey blonde color. After we achieve that, then we're going to add a color depending on what you want. So if you want your hair to stay permanently red, go for a permanent color. And if you want a temporary color, just use a semi color and that one will wash out. And I don't think you have to use any developer. So yeah, I went for the permanent color, and first I got the Agora color and it turned my hair brownish blonde, and I didn't like that. So I will show you all these steps in the video. So after that, I found the perfect red from the Ion brand too. And this I found at Sally's Beauty. This was a permanent color again, because I said, fuck the bullshit. Let me find a pretty color. And I went to the store and looked at the little hair pieces that will help you a lot. And I found the black cherry color, which is this color right here. And it was so pretty. I fell in love with it. And I used a tan developer just to put the color on, because my hair was already bleached and it was like a light blonde brown. So I put this on top, and that's how I got the final result. So if I were you, don't make the same mistake I did. Just section your hair, bleach that shit, and once you get it to a orangey blonde, which is gonna happen if you foil your hair and you do it for the 45 minutes, you're gonna get the perfect lift. Then you just put this color, skip the brown if you don't want that color. That's what I did if you're trying to get to this hair color. So I just like added a more developer and damage to my hair, but my hair is still healthy. Honestly, I only bleached it once, and then like the money piece here wasn't as even. It was like, it was more blonde here and not enough blonde here in the front, so I didn't like it. So in the video, you're gonna see that it kind of looks like patchy and stuff. So I bleached more of the money front piece all over and made it all even. And the final result came out so good. My advice to you is, when you do your money piece, calculate that shit. Like, flip your hair, and you can do foils, but I just winged it. And I kind of flipped my hair a little bit, and I was like, ooh, I need to add more red here, because when I part it, it's gonna just look all black. So the emphasis of the money piece was here, but when I flipped my hair, I still wanted to see some red in the front, if you get what I'm saying. Hopefully those tips help you guys. And yeah, I'm just gonna roll the video. Okay, you guys, like I told you, I'm starting with virgin hair, never been touched. So you want to brush it, get all the knots out, because you do not want to bleach your hair with knots. That will not turn even. Now I'm parting my hair. Make sure you start with the back, like Brad Mondo says. Start with the back, not with the roots, not with the front. So he would be proud. Now I'm mixing the lightening powder with the developer, and I use 30 developer. So yeah, because I have really dark hair. Don't forget your gloves, girls. And I'm cutting foils, tin foil, in little triangles or rectangles. Now I'm using this amazing brush that I found, and it makes the highlighting for you, the highlights, the sections. And you just take the piece that you want. You get a thinner piece and a thicker piece. I'm getting the thinner piece because I want thinner highlights. And now I'm putting the foil and measuring it, and just go for it, girl. Remember, add plenty of bleach. Coat that shit. Coat it, coat it, coat it. I swear Brad Mondo would be really proud of me right now. Hopefully he sees this video. And if he does see it, hopefully he doesn't come for me, because I do have a few mistakes that I did, like parting my hair better, and maybe like blending it better, going higher up. But yeah, especially the money piece. I hope he skips that part. But anyways, here I'm doing my foils. I start folding good and then I get bad as I go. I guess I get lazy. But yeah, here again, I'm showing you, and I'm speeding up the video because you guys are probably going to get bored. So yeah, I'm bleaching my hair first. And then after that's done, I'm going to add the Igora color, which I regret. Like, if you want to get to the red, I picked the wrong color. So that Igora color turned my hair like a brownish blonde. And I was going for a red. So I would skip this step. Okay, guys. So I folded everything and I did the money piece. I hope it turns out good. Girl, what the? No. See, I'm gonna wrap this in foil and just see how it turns out. Wish me luck. If not, I'm gonna add more bleach. But you know, we're gonna add the foil splash right here. As y'all can see, I definitely fucked up. I needed to add more bleach and blend it more in the money piece. So yeah, I have to bleach it again later, but it wasn't a complete fail. Keep watching. Okay, this is how it's looking. It looks processed right here. So I think that's enough lift. I'm gonna take all these off. And I'm gonna wash my hair and we're gonna see how it looks, and then we're gonna move to the next step. So I'm a little excited. Hopefully this isn't a disaster. So I'm scared. Okay, I'll do 2 photos with you. Oh my, oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this lifted a lot. Oh. Oh. My God. Oh my God. Okay, you guys. Here's my hair. Yeah, Okay, you guys, I completely fucked up the money piece, but not to worry. I go ahead a second time and add more bleach to the money piece part so it could blend better. It's not all lost. I was just scared to add more bleach in the beginning, but I saved the day. Keep watching. The money piece. Oh my God, I'm scared. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. It has it right there, so we'll see. Okay, you guys, if I were you, I would skip this Igora hair color that I got. This specific color turned my hair a brownish blonde, which I didn't like. And for this video, you clicked on this so you can make your hair red, and that definitely didn't make my hair red. So yeah, I would just save your money and don't follow this part of the video unless you want to do it step by step like me. But I regret putting this in my hair because I damaged my hair a little more, which wasn't a lot, but I just wasted my money pretty much. But I'm still going to show you how I put this Igora color for those of you that want to follow it step by step. So here we go. I'm just mixing the color and putting it in my hair. Okay, you guys, in this next clip, this is what my hair turned out after I put that Igora color. I obviously don't like it. So that's why I went to Sally's and invested in the Ion color, the Cherry Coke. And I'm going to put it all over my hair. I am separating my money piece because I'm going to bleach some more parts of it. As y'all saw in the last video, it was patchy. So I'm going to go ahead and add more bleach to it. But for now, I'm adding this all over the bottom of my hair. So here we go. Okay, you guys, to sum up everything, I bleached my hair. I added the Igora color that turned my hair brownish blonde. I didn't like that. So I'm separating my money piece to blend that. After that's bleached, I'm adding this cherry color all over my hair. Hopefully this video helps you. If y'all have any questions, leave them on the comments below, and wear gloves. And yeah, anything I missed, I can do a part 2. One last thing. So there's a hair mask that I will show you on my next video, you guys. And that hair mask leaves your hair so soft, and it adds the color back again, and it makes it very vibrant. And it's $22 at Walmart, Target, but I'm going to show you that on the next video when this fades, because it will fade still to, it goes from red to brown. You can deposit the color back. But just to let you know, before you start frying your hair and bleaching it, this color does bleed. And luckily, it hasn't like really stained my clothes at all. It only bleeds when it's wet. So I try to dry my hair with a towel that I don't care if it gets stained. And once the hair is dry, it doesn't bleed a lot. And I think I heard if you use cold water, it doesn't bleed as much too. I tried it and I think it's true, but I can be wrong. But yeah, you guys, so yeah. Hopefully you guys get the same result or better, because I'm not a professional whatsoever and I love it. I got so many compliments at work. Hopefully when you fry your hair, it still feels really healthy like mine. So I'm sending you good luck and hair vibes to you. And yeah, let me know if you did another color and how your color turned out. Leave a comment on what your favorite hair color is, what brand. And yeah, you guys, thanks for watching. My name's Melina, and hopefully I'll see you on my part 2. Bye guys. Go fry that hair. Bye.